Hello, and welcome back to English with Farida. I am Farida, and today we are talking about a very big problem for English learners. Do you translate every word in your head before you speak? Does it make you feel slow and nervous? Today, my co-host Farid and I are going to help you stop translating and start thinking in English.
Hello, everyone. I am Farid. Farida, this is a great topic. Many students tell me, Farid, I know the words, but my brain takes too long to translate them. Why does this happen?
It happens because of how we learn at school. In school, we learn that apple equals a word in our native language. So when you want to speak, your brain does double the work. It thinks of the native word, then translates it to English, then speaks.
That sounds exhausting. It is like driving a car and stopping at every single streetlight.
Exactly. It takes the joy out of speaking. So how do we fix this? We need to build an English mindset. We have 3 simple steps for you to try.
Step number 1, name your world. Farida, what does this mean?
This is a fun exercise. When you are drinking your morning coffee, look around you. Say the words in English in your head. Cup, table, window, sun. Do not translate them. Just look at the object and connect it directly to the English word.
That is a great idea. It trains the brain to connect words to images, not to other words. What is step number 2?
Step number 2 is stop using bilingual dictionaries all the time. If you don't know a word, look at a picture of it, or use a simple English to English dictionary. For example, if you don't know the word huge, do not translate it. Learn that huge means very, very big.
I love that. And step number 3?
Step number 3, accept that you will not understand every single word. And that's okay. When you are doing your English listening practice, just listen to the whole idea. If you miss one word, do not stop to translate it. Keep going.
Let's practice right now. I will ask you a question. Don't translate it. Just listen to the sound of my voice and picture the answer. Farida, what is your favorite way to relax after a busy day?
My favorite way to relax is reading a book with a hot cup of tea. See? I did not translate relax or busy day, I just listened to the whole idea. Pictured my book and my tea and answered. Thinking in English takes time. Be patient with yourself. Try step 1 today. Look around your room and name 5 things in English. You can do this. Tell us in the comments, what are 5 things you can see right now? Write them in English. Thank you for listening to our podcast today. Remember to subscribe, and we will see you next time.
Goodbye, everyone. Keep practicing.